Hi, I'm Kelsey Boss, founder of Compleo, where we really focus on supporting the whole family. A lot of times, gifts, a lot of our love languages is gifts. So, what do we show up with to a new mom postpartum? I think the best gifts are gifts of service. So, a lot of times we don't think about a gift card to a lactation consultant, postpartum doula services, meal services, cleaning services. But really, we don't need more things. A lot of times moms are already overwhelmed by the amount of stuff a baby comes with. And so when you are wondering, what can I just really want to get them something, try to get them a gift of service that will take something off their plate. Again, ask them what would be helpful to them. Other things that are super helpful that people don't love to give are like diapers and wipes. Think about what you really needed and don't be scared to give that, because parents are adjusting to the cost of childcare, the cost of diapers, the loss of time, sometimes lost income from work. And so think about all of those things when you're considering gifts to give. And then if you want to give, if you're closer to the family and really do want to give a more traditional baby gift, and maybe they didn't have a baby registry or everything's taken from the baby registry, try to go for something more personalized, like a monogrammed blanket, or asking them, what do you still need? So I hope those are some helpful ideas. A lot of times we don't think about a postpartum doula or a lactation consultant as a gift, but those can be huge gifts to moms.